Okay, let's start installing the VisualStudio Code, and we just add the code, and or we can directly go to the code.visualstudio.com, and you can find that download for Windows. You can also download that for Mac OS and Linux. Click that download here because I've already downloaded that. Directly install that. Okay, now it's start. And here is the code. And the most important thing is that you need to install some extension that's for different languages. It supports C++ and support Golang, Python. We install because I've already installed that. We don't need to install again. But if you don't install, you can install here. Install Golang and C++ code runner. I like this one. Code runner, you can directly run that your code clicking the mouse. I show you later. Already installed, so we don't need. Okay, so now let's try to a small code. We move on and save as test. Test. Okay. Now we directly go. Okay, we didn't have the Python, so we can see that and select the Python interpreter. Click here, and because I've already installed different versions of Python, you can select different version of Python. We select one, 3.8.5, 64-bit. Okay, let's try a simple hello. Save that. You need to save that and save. Click save or just by using the Control S. Then I just click the right button, run code. This is the code runner. What's the code runner? After run the code, it's working. And you also can run that code from click run without debugging. Okay, it's working. You can see that result. You can, yeah, that's working.